Tuesday 23rd of April 2024. Giant Pallet Slats fence. Made by Shay and Hay Bales 854. All the giant pallet slats that were part of the clutter clear out from the bottom of my garden. Designed to extend my son's back garden a little bit and box off this corner here where there's an awful lot of stuff that we can't be bothered to dig out. And I say we can't be bothered, look at him, he's full of energy. But there we go. One pallet fence. We'll zoom in on Kevin's spacer and some of the wonderful finds we had in the excavation.